with a sideways scuttle. D is for Dumbo with fins that flutter. E is for Emperor, shrimp so small. F is for Flounder, flat on the wall. G is for Goby, in coral so tight. H is for Horseshoe Crab, what a sight. I is for Indian mackerel's dash. J is for Jackfish in a splash. K is for Krill, a tiny snack. L is for Lionfish with a spiky back. M is for Moray eel, eel in its cave. N is for Nudibranch, bright and brave. O is for Oyster with a pearl. P is for Parrotfish, making swirls. Q is for Quillfish, long and thin. R is for Remora with a fin to cling. S is for Sea Cucumber, slow and round. T is for Triggerfish, darting around. U is Unicornfish, horn on its nose. V is for Viperfish, where the deep sea goes. W is for Wobbegong, resting on sand. X is for Xanthid Crab, claws in hand. Y is for Yellowtail Snapper in schools. Z is for Zooplankton, floating in